Really good conference today. Great work by IWA to pull together such a diverse group, really. We had a great representation from the private sector, from the public sector and from communities around Wales. So a real diverse set of views, quite challenging, competing views in terms of the energy future that we have. But I think an agreement that there is that question of how we transition to the low carbon Wales, low carbon economy, question of how fast we do it, the process by which we do it, but not a question about whether we should do it. So for me, I think now I have to take this forward back into the First Minister's Energy Delivery Group to put to them the key issues that have come out today and the recommendations, which I think to sum up is around what is it Wales needs to be famous for, and I think we need to be clear about where our USP is in terms of energy and then focus on the delivery, and that's the key message that we need to mobilise communities around Wales to take that energy transformation, to spread the ownership of energy and to make that what Wales is famous for going forward.